Good morning, departure Windshear 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike. Got some Windshear on final, that's interesting.
Hello everyone, hope you're doing well, and thank you so much for coming along on today's video. In this episode, it's going to be a short one, but it's going to show a departure from John C. Toon Airport on our way to East Texas on a windy, turbulent, and blustery day with wind shear on departure. I really appreciate you coming along on these videos. I hope you enjoy this one. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new video content is posted. Thank you so much for coming along, and I hope you enjoy the video.
We did have a citation 750 about 10 minutes ago. Report wind shear on final plus or minus 15.
Oh boy. Alrighty. You guys all ready to rip?
Yep.
Cool.
Vision Jet 9 Juliet Mike, runway 2 clear for takeoff, fly runway heading, maintain 3000.
Clear for takeoff, runway 2 up to 3,000, 379 Juliet Mike. Probably gonna be a little bumpy on the climb out.
Expected. That sock is full.
Yeah. Approach is clear.
Medevac 229
3,000.
Medevac 229 Alpha Echo John 2.
Yeah, Medevac 229 Alpha Echo, currently 7 miles west. Transition across the Delta. Got information Kilo, BO 1600, traveling to Vanderbilt Children's.
Medevac 229er Alpha Echo, roger, your transition is approved, altimeter
Takeoff power set, airspeed alive.
And at what point you're going to be looking across the airfield?
Crosswind correction, 80 knots continuing.
I guess the southern end of
Now let's
the
rotate.
airport.
Roger, sounds good, thank you. And just report 2 miles west prior to crossing.
Look about 2 miles, thanks for the help.
Positive rate of climb. Gears coming up. Alrighty. Runway heading 3,000. For 115, the flaps coming up.
Traffic, 5 o'clock.
Vision Jet 9 Juliet Mike, contact Nashville, departure, safe flight.
More departure, thanks a lot, 9 Juliet Mike, have a great day. Oh yeah.
Boy, is it windy.
Yes, sir. Get above this stuff here. And let's go, caps available on MCT. Good afternoon, Nashville departure, Windshear 379 Juliet Mike 1.65 to 3,000, runway heading.
379 Juliet Mike, Nashville, Port Tri, Dan. Climb, maintain 15,000.
Up to 15,000, 9 Juliet Mike.
9 Juliet Mike, ready contact 2 north is John Toon, turn to the left heading 290.
Possession checks, and up to left turn to 290, 9 Juliet Mike. 290 on the heading. Whoa, yeah.
Yeah.
That was good.
Shit.
And flight level change.
9 Juliet Mike, flighting 260.
260 on the heading, 9 Juliet Mike. Yep. Alrighty. That was a good bump, huh?
Yeah, it was. Woof.
9 Juliet Mike, contact Memphis Center 125.85.
2585, 9 Juliet Mike, have a great one.
Large American 30.
Turn 54, correction, 5436 Alpha Memphis Center, spot 0740.
0740, 36 Alpha.
Good afternoon, Memphis Center, Windshear 379 Juliet Mike 4.5, climb to 15,000, heading 260.
Windshear 379, Juliet Mike, Memphis Center, well, climb maintain, flight level 230.
Climb maintain, flight level 230, All right, 230.
3 November Whiskey, clear to Gaggy.
Gaggy, 3 November Whiskey. Some good bumps up here.
November 5436 Alpha Memphis, Frederick, contact off 5 miles southwest East River, clear to Kilo Alpha, Romeo Alpha, file maintain 8000, stay altitude leading.
Clear to Alpha Romeo Alpha, file maintain 8,000, climbing through 3,500.
36 Alpha McKellar, brushing 4 and 29er, 79er.
Sure, and can we get 6,000 on the final 36 Alpha?
36 Alpha, then Delta to maintain 6,000.
Maintain 6,000, 36 Alpha.
November 60405.
I've got a pretty decent climb rate going. We're making about 2600 to 3,000 feet a minute per minute there, and then at 156 knots of indicated airspeed.
Southwest 489, contact Nashville approach 12717 beyond.
2717, Southwest 49, connect. And your parameters still look good.
Get 9 Juliet Mike, you can expect direct Memphis shortly.
Roger, thanks. Trimmed good. Alright, cool, we'll speed up a little bit. Now they're kind of above this layer. I hope most of that turbulence is going to go away on us. So,
Yep. Seems like you're right so far.
I'll have 3 November Whiskey, contact Memphis Center 128.5, see ya.
all right, coming up on 10,000 feet. Pressurization looks good. Engines and instruments look good. Tanks are balanced.
Again,
Everything looks normal.
Checking out through 10-5 for 1.
Continue to climb.
36 Memphis, climb maintain, flight level 230.
I can't thank you enough for supporting the channel with your questions, comments, and feedback, all of which are very much appreciated. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new video content is posted. If there are any subjects related to the SF50 Vision Jet you'd like covered on this channel, make sure you let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to do what I can for you. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight. I really appreciate you watching the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. Also, click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new videos are posted. I can't thank you enough for taking the time to send your emails, comments, and feedback. My goal is to provide even better content for you as we continue to grow the channel. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.